Paulie's messing around with gloves already. Good morning, it's Patriot Magnets. We're on the Rochdale Canal. We've got some unfinished business because we had to cut this short last time because the zombies are out. So yeah, we're going to try and find, we think there's a safe in there, so we're going to try and get it now and find some more pocket watches, whatever. Aren't we? Some treats.
Yep.
Yeah. So hopefully we'll be joined by somebody, but if not, we'll just crack on. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, there's a watch.
Oh, yeah.
You got one? Yeah, man.
Watch. And
He's got a pocket
watch. I think it's empty though, Scott.
Yeah.
No, not. So yeah, definitely there, aren't they?
Football as well. He's playing football.
Football. He helps me there sometime.
Maybe football.
And the magnetic rock.
That's the biggest magnetic rock I've seen.
A magnetic rock.
Zombie gun.
Stick. I got a yomping stick. Right.
On a watch face. Hello. A little tiny watch face, that. Teeny tiny. Teeny tiny. Teeny tiny. Another watch. Okay. Let's see that. Yeah. Some more balls.
No.
What? Oh wow!
I think it's
That's amazing. Yeah. Oh, I love that.
Isn't it cute? It's
Yeah.
only little.
That is cool, that kib.
Yeah, you know, like in the handles, you get the square holes. That goes in the square hole, so you can.
Look at that. It's a little shoe. That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah. Nice find, Paulie.
It's cute, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
You only spent 2 hours in that one spot last time.
Mad, innit?
Bonkers.
You can feel how deep the mud is round here.
Oh, I love it. Sifting through history.
What you want, innit?
Yeah. Leather strap with a chain on. Cool. Yeah. Whatever that is. Where we're looking.
So it's here. Look, it's got near to the edge now as well.
Yeah.
It's ours. Can we get that grapple on it?
Oh, I've never seen you pull a Facebook.
Have you not?
No.
I bet when he had it, I bet I had the corner of it, that's why it got stuck on.
Yeah. Right, Steve, come on, let's have it. I've got it here now.
You want it?
Yeah. Here we go. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes.
I bet that's what I've been sticking on all that time and I couldn't use it.
There you go, Kim, you wanted a bite?
I wanted a bite.
Oh, that was a safe, only weight of it.
Well, I'll tell you what, that was stuck in, Steve.
Wasn't it? It's in quite good condition as well. I bet the mud's preserved it a bit, hasn't it?
Yeah. Got like a little target thing there. High power. High power, is that say Persia or something? EOT, normally. Yeah, Peugeot sign there, Steve. Expensive bike, that. Expensive bike.
Oh well, at least we got it.
Wow.
It's expensive, that.
But what would it be slide on off that?
Probably.
Yeah. Yeah, because these magnets are not really designed for like circular. They're more for flat, aren't they?
You need to.
That's
Cool, that's good.
it's a good bike, that. It's expensive.
The wheels.
Yeah. Little USB. Penny. Is it slag?
It's got a number on it, a big number.
It's like a chassis number, that. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. What is that? A hammerhead. Oh God. I think that's a hammerhead. Have a look. Yep, a hammerhead. Cool one, that. Right, so we're back after a couple of hours out, me, Steve and Mrs B. So we went back to the spot where we found the pocket watches, and only come up with a small variety today. So obviously you've seen the bike, that was a decent bike that. Spoke to a gentleman, and he was going to pass the word on about that bike as well, because there's people around there that like collecting bikes, so we'll put it in a little safe spot, so hopefully someone can have that and do it up. It is a Peugeot one, quite dear, and good enough for a kid that. Anyway, let's crack on. Where should we start? What money have we got today? 8p. 8p today. Yeah. A white bottle cap. And this little spinner. I do apologise for the, well, I think it's a short video, I don't know, because it was weeks ago, but my camcorder packed up, so halfway through it, so obviously distance footage has gone. I wasn't recording as usual. Anyway, this little USB part that slots into your phone or other equipment. These big pieces of iron slag. Like I've said in my other videos, if you want me to put them into like white vinegar and get a proper look at them, we can do, not a problem. We'll get that sorted. We don't know what this is. Some sort of hinge in it. Obviously it gets tightened up there to live on. I don't know. We don't know. Hammerhead, or is it a panel beating hammer? I don't know. I'm not clued up with my hammers. This will be part of a combination padlock, minus the combination, and all the plastic bits come off, looks like. Might as well show this, so people can check themselves, can't they? Chassis number, so that's been cut off because someone's floated a car off, haven't they? Treated themselves to someone else's property. This is interesting. I put some feelers out on Facebook, and we're thinking that it could be part of a milk churn, or I don't know, something to do with milk. The handle of it, not the handle of milk, but you know, the actual container. Cool, all that. Different. Mrs B found that. Mrs B was on it again. Look at this cracking thing. A Swain 5.5 mould. Look at that. That is beautiful. Looks like it's complete. I mean, a bit of rough edges here, but you know, Mr. Swain did good. I believe these fit in a like an anvil type thing, slot in like that, so you can. I don't know what they're called. Could be called something last. I don't know. We'll get some names up. We'll get some information going on this baby. Look at that. That's a keeper. That. Me and Steve was on the jewellery. This is a part that goes on your button, and I presume your pocket watch goes on there. Little watch face. Can't really tell what that is mechanism wise. I don't think it's got any. It might say Swiss made. Yeah, Swiss made there. I found this. I'm not sure what sort of watch this is actually. water resistant stainless steel back. If you say so, sunshine. Now, find the information about that, I'll pop it up. Steve found a watch, I'll put a picture up of it now because he took it on. And yeah, case of a pocket watch. Yeah. Does have some little digits inside, some writing. It says English make. This case guaranteed to wear 10 years, and then it's got like some sort of number on it. Cool though, that, isn't it? Look at that. Absolutely belting. So I'm not sure if we're going to hit that spot again, because it seems to be, you know, we've got most of the stuff out, but you never know. Never say never, and never say there's never anything down there, because there always is. So take care everyone, stay safe, get out there, enjoy yourself, find some treats, show us, keep in contact with social media and my channel and my pages. Come along for the journey anytime.